All right, quick video. Imagine, well, I guess if you're watching this video, something about this is broke. So on mine, this is the driver's window and there's no tab there. So just imagine, all right, let's not imagine, let's actually break it. Let's see if we can break it away. All right, so you see, for whatever reason, I can't do it. But you guys can see this is broke, right? So we're gonna replace it. Don't trip, it's an easy fix. I promise you, it's an easy fix. Only thing you have to do is get a credit card and you have to like finesse. You see that chrome liner? You just have to put the card kind of in between there and kind of prop it up. I'm doing this with one hand so you guys know it's easy. But you pull this whole thing out. This whole thing just comes out. It's still connected to a wire, a cord. And on both sides, there's tabs. I can't really show it on the camera because, like I said, I'm doing this one hand. But there's two tabs on that side and on that side. Can you guys see? There's like a tab you have to pull. So basically what you have to do, hold on, let me do this real quick. Basically you have to just pull both ends of this and pull down and then just like jiggle this all the way down. So I'm gonna do that real quick, hold on. All right, super easy. So I just pulled it out and like, as you guys can see, there's a tab on that side and there's a tab on that side. You just basically have to like hold these down and like just pull it down. If you don't know how to do that, man, you just take your car into the shop, man. If you don't know how to do that, just take your car into the shop because that's a very simple thing. I don't know how to explain it any easier than that. But you grab your new one. Your new one, there'll be a link in the description down below. I got it from Amazon. The first one I got was wrong. It didn't have these auto things here. And mine, my broke one, you guys can't see it now, but it had the auto pieces up front. The ones that do not have the auto has an extra little connector that you need to connect, whereas mine only has one. So you have to get the one that matches your system. So if you have the auto, come on man, focus. If you have the ones with the auto, you only have one little connector in the back. But if you have the ones without the auto, then you have more. So you have to make sure, because on the first one I got was wrong. They sent me the wrong one. I ordered this one, but they sent me the one without the auto rear or you know, front windows. So basically what you have to do, hold on, I'm gonna connect. All you have to do is connect that piece back in. You just push it straight in. That's all you have to do. So I'm gonna finish that now. All right, it's connected. What I usually do is, before I connect it, I make sure the window works, which it does. I would show you guys other windows, but my car kind of dirty. But anyway, so once you have it connected, only thing you have to do now is just push it down and connect it, and now you're good to go. Can you guys see it? It's good to go. All of them work. I know you guys can hear it. They all work. Let's watch the mirror. The mirror works, so we all good. And that's it, man. Appreciate you guys, man. There'll be more videos coming. I got a lot more videos to come. I've been away for a minute. I tried to make this video as quick as possible because I know when I watch like the how-to videos, I don't want to hear all the unnecessary stuff. So this is just a real quick video, but the videos that follow, there'll be more vlog type, giving more information, more cooler things outside of the car realm, man. Because I've been really working on some programs that'll get people smarter, make money, get motivated, prevent addiction, prevent your habits, stop all that, man. Just become a better person. So anyway, man, appreciate you guys, man. Subscribe down below. And yeah, this piece was $30 on Amazon, so there'll be a link down on the description down below. $30, you in there. I think it would have been like $200-300 if I took it to the shop.